What's up, everybody? Slim William Games here, back with another video. Wow, that was really loud. I hope nobody knocked on the door. Back with another video for you guys. And this, guys, I hope you guys can see. I'm going to show you guys how to change out your CPU. Now, guys, an old well, it's not an old, but remember I told you guys I upgraded my PC. So I now have an i7 10th generation i7 installed with a 2070 graphics card. I upgraded my PC, and this is my old motherboard. All right, it is an AS Rock motherboard. All right. This is actually my old motherboard. Now, guys, for those who aren't familiar with motherboards and PCs, I'm going to show you a couple of things around real quick, and I'm going to show you actually how to change out the CPU. Okay, so let's put that to the side. All right. Now, guys, to get them familiar with everything, I really hope you guys can see this. I know this is so trash. All right, right here, guys, is where you put your RAM. Okay, your actual RAM. In fact, I'm going to show you how to install your RAM right here. We got one stick of 8 GB of RAM. I'm going to show you guys how to install your RAM. And your CPU, okay, but everything else you gotta kind of figure out. But anyway, I'm gonna now I'm just playing. All right, so what you want to do is I'm gonna show you where everything is, and I'm gonna show you what you need to do. This right here is for your CPU, okay. This right here, all these little green. Let me see if I can zoom in. All these little grooves right here that you see, that's for your CPU. You do not want to touch this part. You do not want to touch that, okay? It's going to mess up your CPU. As you can see, this is an i5 9400F i5 core. So we're going to kind of keep that. And this is a 1 stick gigabyte of RAM we're going to be installing. All right, so like I said, this is for your CPU. You're going to put the thermal paste on, and we're going to slip it inside there. This right here is for your RAM. It all depends on how much RAM you want to use. If you want to use 16 gigs, you just put 1 stick of RAM here and 1 stick of RAM right there for 16 gig. If you just want to do 8 gig, just go ahead and put that 1 stick of RAM right there. All right, if you move over this area right here, this is for your graphics card. Now, I do not have another graphics card to show you guys, but this is right here is where you want to put your graphics card right in the center of there. Once you put your CPU on top, then you go ahead and put your fan on top, and you start closing it up, and that's pretty much it. You put the connectors and stuff, and you're done. All right, so that is basically the inside of a motherboard. Your CPU, your sticks of RAM, your graphics card. You put your fan on top, and all the other little connectors you put it on the side and stuff like that. All right, so let's go ahead and change out the CPU. So let's say you want to install your CPU. So what you would do, you would take your CPU right here. All right. Now what you want to do is you want to just carefully slid it in. Don't want to put too much pressure on it. Let me make sure I got it in right. You want to put it right there. Alright, I want to make sure I put it in right. You want to put it right there. You don't want to put too much pressure on it. And what you want to do is close it. Take this. And then you want to kind of... Okay, hold on. So, what you want to do is you want to take it like up here. Then you want to close this part. Oh God. The good thing I don't need this anymore. You take, oh crap. Take it. And then you want to just, you want to, damn it, you want to close the shit. Alright, you want to freaking close it. Now, let's go ahead and get us a goddamn RAM and shove that shit in. Alright. So what you want to do is take the goddamn RAM, take the RAM out the goddamn plastic. All right. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to shove this damn RAM inside of the goddamn motherboard. All right. So you want to open this up. Open this shit up. Okay, hold on, guys. See, this thing's pissing me off. You want to... Oh, my bad. It's this way. So let me turn this shit around. All right, so what you want to do is open that up right there. Where's my damn RAM stick at? You want to take your 8 gigs of RAM. You just want to shove it in like so. These are the silver parts. You just want to shove the shit in. And what you want to do is shove it in, okay? All right, shove it in. Shove that shit in there, real nice and great. Okay, so I did it wrong, guys. So you want to take it and you want to just shove it in like so. There we go. And then once it's in, you want to close this part. All right. And this is our crap. Our CPU fell out. What do you know? Take the goddamn CPU. Here's the CPU right here. Remember how I said do not touch all of this? Do not touch all of this. Do not do that. Do not touch all of that shit, all right? So take it and start that shit like so. If you can't get it and you get frustrated like how I gotten, okay, there we go. All right, you know what? All right, put your goddamn fan on that shit and you should be ready to freaking go, okay? Make sure your RAM is inside here and just go ahead and freaking screw it. And then start it just like that. If you want more pros and tips on how to install a freaking motherboard, Slim William Games style, let me know. This is Slim William Games. I'm out. Peace.